Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can pin a video on TikTok. It's super easy to do. Let me show you how you can do it. Open up your TikTok app and logged into your account and go to your profile, and you can see a bunch of videos that you have uploaded over here. You want to choose one of you can choose 3 videos that you can pin on your profile. So as you can see, I want to pin the first and the last video over here. So you can simply click on the 3 dots on the video, like at the right side bottom. You can see over here at the bottom menu pop-ups over here, you will see a bunch of options over here. At the third row you will see analytics, increase view, and bunch of options over here. You can see as well the fifth one option called pin. You have to simply click on that, and then you can see pin to top on your profile. So as you can see, you will see this nameplate over here like pinned, and your video is pinned on profile, and that's it. That's how you can do it. It's super easy that everyone can do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.